Rotate mo na.
Agreed.
Sige.
Shit!
Welcome to another episode of Blanco's Dota Adventure.
Ako inuuna.
Ganda ko guys, or...
Taba.
Jack, sumama.
Mick, tignan mo, Mick. Naka-left, ano ka? Tangin na, di naman ako makapatay ng mga te. Kahit tata, sumama na kayo sa kanila. Pwede ba magtali? Napatay natin.
Where to? There's no honor in pruning. Coming!
Matarata.
My help isn't right. Perfect shot. That should make your friends think twice.
Why is my timber so bright?
Hurry up, Sagan.
Don't have to eat.
They'll never stop bullying that
Make a perfect shot.
Ay, gagawin ba pala ito, no? May mana, reduction pala ito. First,
Komi!
nawala na. Tapa.
On the move. Perfect shot. No doubt you cannot retreat. They're here. A star hits.
Ulti ready ulti na. Nice, push natin dito.
Grab the apple.
Okay, pag-apit.
I can mosey. That one thing I ain't looking for guns and
Mag-bait
cookies.
ko.
Good work down there. Also, just so you know, you only have called the police.
May ult ka, Blanco?
What's going on down here? Is that a kill stream?
You're gonna set about messing with me?
Dominate. Whoa, yes, that is a double kill.
No crap. Ace, where you gonna run? No. Taking a
Hindi na
step.
pala kailangan. Grabe. Para...
Cookie mo ako. Bigyan mo ako cookie. Ay! Nice one. Nangihingi ako ng heal. Salamat. Pay lang.
He's a cookie combustion shotgun. No. In the powder game.
Tip niyo daw. Sabi.
Tanga. Putang yun. Kaya ayoko naman nagaganitong hero.
The other team does not like that.
Kaya kasi anything like...
Here we go. Hardly seems fair.
Unstoppable. Iron out you down there, and anyone watching
Ano
you
po
know
tayo?
that's double pure and simple.
Inubos ni Blanco.
What you've done here today, you hear me? You're
What?
Don't rush me.
What he said.
Sometimes he goes where
Patay natin.
I'm under attack.
Fine.
Dali.
Have a first
May tao doon na. Ito pa.
Wala pala.
Snack attack. Would read me out. Surrender,
Fine.
and I'll give you a treat. He ain't sharing.
Another tower's taking the
Here's
lead.
the real threat.
Fine. Ito pa.
Draw.
That's fine.
As far
Tipigay
as
sa mid, guys. Meron ako.
Stack up those corpses.
no.
You might help build a
Hindi, mali. Yung ano pa lang, Blanco sa setup ang kusahan. Patay tayo, Yasit.
Yung anong
for dessert.
May word.
tama.
See about that. I guess size ain't
Highlight ko siya, Sarah.
Sorry yan.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Ano ba to slow burn na to? Natry niya na ba ito yung Lina?
Slow burn.
I know someone na ganun. Ay. Nice one, Drake.
The natural path.
Nice one, Drake.
Those treasure blankets.
Nice one, Drake.
Lahat na.
Hammer's ready.
Nice scrapings.
I like this course.
Nice one.
Or nothing. Feel the power of the
Tip mo, Rick, tip mo.
I was made for greater
That
things.
courier will be
But
missed.
someone
Gone.
told me to stop and smell the roses. I bear the light of
I
the
got
first
you.
the sun sets on this place.
Grabe yung mura.
Your middle tower might need a
Ready
little
for
attention.
anything.
Ako nga. Boy ka dyan.
Without the children of light,
Hindi ko matimingan yan.
regeneration.
Tangin na. Yung mura direct.
Hindi ko matimingan.
Tatayipin namin to. Charot.
I like this course.
Ba yan? False information?
Darna! Darna!
Para na to.
Sniper, sniper, sniper.
Return. I'll face them all.
Loko, dito mamaya doon. Boy ako.
Pwede pa tayo.
Greg, are you seeing
Ay, wala pang level 6 to.
I've been
Uy!
waiting.
Pwede yan. Uy, gago. Oh, nag-reforce sa burst RP.
Nice team, nice team.
I can't.
Na-stun.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Fuck you too. Isa pa.
You're probably feeling some disappointment.
Nice one.
Gago doon.
Fight.
May ult ka, Blanco.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Eka.
Kaya ano.
Not ready.
Galing mo doon, Elvin.
Hmm?
Galing mo doon.
Let it die, let it die.
You're now.
Hindi ko alam ginawa ko.
I'm not used to feeling this way. Some things I cannot allow.
Pwede na siguro.
They are destroying the hell out of it. They're giving your middle barracks a once over.
I was waiting.
Detection tayo.
You will.
Wali.
Ako na RP oh.
I'm ready for.
Dominate! That's a double kill.
Pag ikaw gino, like paano pag nago?
Go.
Iyak na lang.
Iyak na lang ako. Ayun na, nagawa ka na! You know, wait!
Sobrang liwanag naman. Masakit sa bata.
Ano? SS ka? SS ka? May SS ka ba? Meron, no?
Hindi, nagbabasa siya. Wait, no,
Okay.
Na nga, wala na. Grabe, hindi talaga siya tumitingin sa mapa. Kakaiba.
At ako na ay buyback din ako kung sakaling mag-uwi.
Baka na,
Nice
baka.
one, Rick.
Hindi, mali ko yan. Nagko-cooldown kasi BKB.
Oh,
Oh. Dapat hindi nagko-cooldown.
Legend player ka, dapat
Sorry.
alam mo yun.
Your top tower.
Ano ba? Mag-electric ba tayo dito?
Na, si Eric na inago. Naku po.
Oh no.
Grabe, BKB, no? Imagine, wala ka.
I not can't.
Wala nang BKB, no BKB. Let's go. Ready ult ha. Blanco.
They just deep
Blanco ready ult.
top barracks.
Putang ina.
Oo, kaya no.
Kahit tinanong ko. Grabe, initiator tayo.
Ba, diba?
Towers taken.
Grabe yung Glipner ko dun, oh.
Was that a double kill?
Ganun din, man.
Kill spree. That was a
Ang bagal ko.
dominate.
Grabe yun.
Saan yung iba?
Don't you dare stop.
My
Galit ah. Aperahan kita.
traverse the field.
Good stuff. Their middle tower's a sad pile of rubble.
Guns out, guns out.
Talitang traltok bata. Ano?
Ayaw ka na, last na yan. Pagod na ako.
Grabe naman yun. Last ko na rin muna yun. Pakain ako aso.
Nagutom yung aso bigla na.
Kailangan ano yun, walang ult. Grabe, naglalakad lang eh. Lagi nangyayari yun kapag may tinatanong siya sa item vendor. Ang inang yan.
Blanco,